everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio. And for those of you just tuning into the channel, I teach kids and beginners or anyone who wants to draw step-by-step drawings of their favorite things. So today we're going to be drawing a monkey. So grab a piece of paper or marker and come join me. So let's get started. So with the monkey, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw its head. So we're going to draw a big circle in the middle of the paper. So I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to start right here.
Whoa!
So there we have the head. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the details of the face. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a point in the middle, the circle, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the number 3. Or you could remember it by drawing 2 big humps. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw the number 3. And then I'm going to come back down. So it looks like the number 3 or just 2 big humps. And then I'm going to copy the same thing on this side.
That's nice.
So we have that part. We're going to draw the eyes and we're going to draw 2 ovals for the eyes.
Okay.
And then the nose is also going to be an oval. It's just going to be horizontal. So I'm going to draw a nose. And then I'll draw a little smirk.
So cute.
For the monkey. I'll also add some details on the eyes. So I'm going to draw an eyelid in each eye. I'm going to draw the pupil of the eye. So I'm going to draw a little half circle on the side, another half circle on this side, and then I'll draw a bigger half circle on both eyes where we're going to color it in later.
That's so cool.
That's the monkey's face. And then we'll add 2 ears. So what the ears are going to be is they're going to be half circles on the side of the face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a half circle on the side. And then I'm going to copy the same thing on this side.
Super.
And then for the ears, we're also going to draw something that looks like an arrow. So it's going to be an arrow pointing to the left. Or you could say it's like 2 diagonal lines. And we're going to copy the same thing on this ear.
Amazing.
There we have the monkey's face. And then we're just going to draw the monkey's body, the rest of his body. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a horizontal line coming down. And then I'm going to draw another one. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side.
Whoa!
And then we're going to draw the feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little hump just like this. And I'm going to copy it here too because this is also the foot. Come up a little bit at a point. Come back down. And a little bit around. Like a foot. Kind of looks like a boot too. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So I bring it up to a point and then loop it around and bring it back in. So there we have his feet. I know it looks a little silly right now, but it'll come together. And then we're going to draw the rest of the body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a loop line here, or a curved line. I'm going to connect it to this side. And then we're going to draw a patch on his stomach, just so it's 2 different tones. And I'll draw a little point here. And I'm going to draw a big hill. A big hill. That's its stomach. And then we have the front legs, and now we have to draw the back legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this shape just a little bit above on each side. So I'm going to draw a curve like this at a point. I'll draw the curve just like that, and I'll draw the same thing on this side. So I'm going to draw a curve just like this on this side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a heart, or half a heart. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw half a heart going out and then coming to this point. So I'm going to draw half a heart, and then I'm going to reach this point. And that's his back leg.
Perfect.
And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. We have his back legs. And then the last and final thing that we're missing is his tail. We have to draw a tail. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a slanted line or a diagonal line. We'll start right here and then just go up. And then we'll draw the same thing, just a little higher, perpendicular to this one. So we'll come, we drew 2 diagonal lines. And at this point, I'm just gonna make a little curve for the tail, because it's gonna curve in. And then I'll just continue it. So I'm gonna go up, wrap the tail, come back down, and close it. So we made a loop. We came up from the horizontal or diagonal line, and we just looped it around.
Fantastic.
And there we have the monkey. So now we could just color it in. I'm gonna do more traditional colors. I'm gonna do brown and then little lighter brown on its stomach. You guys could choose whatever color you want. There's different color monkeys everywhere, so you guys choose whatever you want. Alright guys, so here we have it. Here's the monkey, and these are the colors I used as well. So I did more of like the traditional colors. The patch on his stomach and his face, I did it a different brown, so it pops a little bit more. I did colorful eyes. I know you guys probably picked a different color, and I'm sure it looks amazing. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys had a great time. Bye!